A 26-year-old bike, can you just imagine? Hello all, welcome back to my channel again. So today we have the legendary bike RX 100 with us. So you would have seen the Z900 video on my channel. So my friend Ashwin has bought this bike as well. So this is a 1994 model. It's an RX 100 from Yamaha. So let me take you through the specs of this bike as well as the modification that he has done. So let me start from the front. The bike has a 18-inch spokes wheel and he has put a fork lock for this bike. You know, the side locks are very weak and you can't really rely on it, especially with the rare bikes like this. And both the headlamps as well as tail lamps are conventional bulbs, and he has put butterfly crash guard for this, and it's a Hella horn. So this is an 100cc engine. It's a two-stroke engine which puts out 11 horsepower at 7,500 rpm and 10.39 Nm of torque at 6,500 rpm. And he has modified the seats. This is not the stock seats. He has put a cut seat over here. And the mirrors, I just love this mirror, guys. Look at the shape of this mirror. These are all some classic touches for this bike. And he has installed a quick throttle. You can see over here. It's from RMX. It's manufactured in Thailand. It's really responsive. And apart from that, everything is stock, and bike has got a awesome exhaust note. I'll show you guys that. And let me tell you guys, this is one of my favorite bike, not only for me. I'm sure like many of you guys wanted to ride a two-stroke engine, the two RX 100 in a lifetime. So this is something which you should experience. So let me get onto the bike, and before that, let me show the exhaust note of this bike. Let me crank it. Wow. Let's get down to the bike. I'll show you the power of this bike. I'm so excited, guys. This is one of my favorite bike, you know. I'm saying it again and again. He just rebought the bike. The cost of this bike is like around he bought it for 80,000 and he spent almost close to 20,000 on this. Wow, that exhaust note. I'm not sure how clear it is on the mic, but in person this is just amazing. So if you want to buy an RX 100 in the market in Chennai, a good quality bike costs at least 70,000 and above. So this one has a drum brakes, both front and back. I'm on top gear now, and look at the way it pulls. A 26-year-old bike, can you just imagine? Let's go. The weather is pleasant to ride. You can see it's cloudy at Chennai. So it's Saturday evening. ECR is completely crowded. This is not just another bike, guys. I'm sure you have to feel it. You have to ride the two-stroke engine, especially RX 100. You have to feel it, because more than me saying, you will understand only when you try it yourself. Not getting a proper stretch to open up completely, because the top speed of this bike is around 110. It will easily go 100, but I don't want to test it in a crowded road. So meanwhile, this is the console of this bike. Very basic. The turn indicators, neutral light, and the high beam. Can see there, and a speedometer. This doesn't have a RPM meter. Bike has clocked 21,250 kilometers. Not bad, I would say. Just feels like a legend. And the horn on this bike, superb. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you are all keeping safe. Take care wherever you go. Do wear a mask. Take all necessary precautions. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Adi ஓடிட்டே இருக்கோம். என்னடே சினிமாட்டிக் ஷாட். அப்படியே ஓடிட்டே தான் இருக்கு. ஆடியோ ரெக்கார்ட் தான் இருக்கு. ஓடிட்டே தான் இருக்கு. இதுதான் பிடிப்பா கரெக்டா. என்ன அப்படி ஓடிட்டு வரியா ஓடிட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அப்புறம் ஹெல்மெட் போட்டுட்டு வண்டி எடுத்துட்டு போகணும். மெயின் ரோட்ல போய் ரவுண்ட் போட்டு வரணும். போய்ட்டோம். நான் நீங்களா வரலையா? நீங்க போயிட்டு வாங்க. வீடியோ எடுப்பா மூவிங்ல அப்புறம். மூவிங் வீடியோ நீங்க தான் GoProல தான் எடுக்க போறீங்க. நான் போறத வண்டி சைடுல தான் எடுக்கணும். அதுதான் ஸ்கூட்டர் எடுத்துட்டு நான் ஸ்கூட்டர் எடுத்துட்டு போறேன். ஓகே இப்போ எடுக்க வேண்டிய ஷாட் டாக் ஏய் ஒரு சினிமாட்டிக் ஷாட் கீழ கால்ல இருந்து எடு. நான் நடந்து போய் வண்டி ஏறி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி. இருங்க அப்படியே வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. பின்னாடி இருந்து வா. வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. நீ குளிச்சு ஏந்திருக்குல. Thank you so much for watching guys. Subscribe and support my channel. See you guys in another interesting video again. Take care. Bye bye.